Hey everyone, let's talk timelines. Yeah, what do you think?
Well,
So,
everybody's got their own timeline and everybody works at their own pace. So it's always important.
yeah, well, depending on your crazy life too, because if you're like us, timelines are like, oh my God, oh my God. So the best thing is make a plan. What works for you? You know, is it, a week, a month, a year, 2 years? Doesn't matter. It all comes down to what works for you.
Absolutely. Having a timeline depends on nobody but yourself, making sure that you are comfortable and you are trying to adhere to that timeline so you have the greatest chance for success.
And ultimately, the best thing to do is look at your life, your schedule, your plan, and don't worry about what works for someone else. They're not living in your house. That hopefully, if they are, that's a little creepy. May want to just, yeah. Well, although if you're married,
There you
their
go.
timeline too. Maybe you have kids about to get married or graduate. Yeah, you're going to take them into account too. Um, but look at your whole life. And then the best thing to do is make a plan. And it's so simple. If you want to be out of your current house and somewhere else, but before the next child graduates or before someone's getting married, or you want to wait till after all that, it's fine.
Absolutely. And remember, it's your timeline and there's nobody else that can drive that. So,
No, no, but you want a professional involved throughout the entire process so we can make sure that nothing is changing with you financially, that you keep on track of what's happening with the market. Because, yes, as the value of what you're looking at goes up, so does the value of the house you're living in.
that's true.
Yeah. So give us a call and we can start talking about the process and helping you put your timeline together.
Talk to you soon.
Right. Bye.